So in today's video, I want to share with you just a couple of things that I have bought. I wouldn't necessarily say like regret, but well, maybe yeah. I just wouldn't repurchase them. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. And again, this is just my opinion. One person, that's all. They didn't work for me. They could work wonderful on you. So the first thing I have to mention is this foundation from Ofra. This is the Ofra Absolute Cover Foundation. It was on sale, and I can totally see why. This thing, I wanted to love it so badly. Full coverage. It looks amazing. But the way it oxidizes, it's like insane. I've had foundations oxidize on me, but nothing like this. That's why it was probably like 50% off. I think maybe it retails for 40 and they still have it on sale for 20. But this thing, there's just no way I can wear it. Maybe like if I mix it, I don't even know with what, because the color that it oxidizes, it's so weird. There's just no matching, not even like if I had a tan. I want to check out the review so you can see what I mean when I applied it. This is just a hard pass for me, and it sucks because the finish, everything is just so beautiful. Next thing I have here is this by Morphe. This is the Madden Fine Continuous Mist. Morphe has a huge sale going on right now. I don't know if this is one of the items that's on sale. People may love it. I don't love it for my skin type. This is the Mattifying. I really always wanted to try their setting spray because it's a continuous mist, and not a lot of setting mists are like that. But this just didn't work for me. It did nothing to mattify. Pretty full, so I'm gonna be giving it away. Just because it didn't work for me, it doesn't mean like that nobody's gonna like it. Check out more reviews from other people that are oily to see what they think. Some people do like it. Again, it's the mattifying version. I know the regular version is like so many people's holy grail. They can't live without it. So. This foundation from Maybelline. First of all, the color is super off, but that has nothing to do. That's just me because I chose it wrong online. This is the Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 50. So this is great right now. I'm sure a lot of people are buying it, the high SPF and everything. I got it in 120 Classic Ivory. Again, you can check the review on my channel. This is like really hyped because it's supposed to be, or it's like if it was a dupe for the It Cosmetics version. It's not mattifying. It made me super oily, so it's just a big no for me. Maybe the SPF factor is good on it. I don't know. You would have to do more research. Everything about it sounds amazing. Like it says it has antioxidants. Really wanted to love it, but this just made me like super oily. These lashes, these look so pretty and glam, but they're just not my style. This is from the brand Pure. It's Pure X Barbie. These are the doll lash. These are cruelty free. I don't like the style at all. They do nothing for me, but that's just my personal opinion. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, like, but they just weren't my style. If you want to see how they look, again, most of these things are reviewed on my channel. That's what I do. I review products. So if any of these things I'm mentioning, you want to see what they look like, or swatches or anything, or try-ons, check it out on my channel. The Nars Orgasm palette. I wouldn't say I hate it, but I expected much more like from Nars. I don't know. A lot of people love it. It's like super small. I love the packaging. The colors are very pretty. I've just bought better palettes for that price, and I buy a lot of mini palettes, so I don't care. Like a lot of people were saying this is super tiny for the price. I didn't really mind that. It was just I expected like these to perform like, I don't know, very different. This is the Essence Lash Princess Fall Lash Effect Mascara. This is the waterproof. I know a lot of people die for the regular version. I tried the waterproof and it did nothing for me. It does not hold the curl. It does not lengthen. It does not give me like nothing. And you know I'm very picky when it comes to mascaras that I review. All of them are waterproof, and like if you compare it to my Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift, this is like, I just use it like when I'm gonna apply falsies that you know you have to put a coat of mascara first, or most of us do. I just use it for that. But if it's like a day that I'm not gonna wear falsies and I want my lashes to look good, this doesn't mean that it doesn't work or it's not gonna work for you. It just doesn't work for me for my lashes. My lashes are super straight, super small, and this does nothing for me. This one, I've given this so many tries, and it really, I don't even know why I keep trying, but I'm just the type of person that you fail once, I will try one more time. And this is the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette. I used that to create this look today. I did another look with it. I swatched it. The palette looks beautiful, but the colors just do not perform well. This look is so similar to like the one that I did before. I tried to use different colors, it just did not work, so I had to go in with colors that I know that perform better. Not all of them are terrible, but most of them are just terrible. Like you put it on and you try to blend and the color like comes off. I don't know, it's just not like, maybe if you want to try it, Cosmetics has a lot of sales, then I would go ahead and try this, but like for the price, I think it's like $16, I wouldn't try this Blushing in Bali palette that I have reviewed. It's absolutely gorgeous. To end this in a high note, they have blushes and highlighters and they're absolutely stunning, both magical, totally worth the price. When I wanted to play with color, something colorful, but I tried to go in with different colors so the look wouldn't look as similar, and I just had to like switch it up. So I don't even know if I'm gonna post the look, maybe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!